Welcome back, dear viewers, to another incredible journey of human achievement. Today, we're diving into a story that not only showcases the power of unity, but also highlights the remarkable impact of yoga on our overall well-being. It all happened on the grand occasion of RMK PATASHAALA's decennial year celebration. In a truly inspiring spectacle, a massive gathering of 1,000 students from across the region congregated at the school grounds in Kavarapetai, Gummidipondai, Tamil Nadu, India. These young minds, under the banner of RMK PATASHAALA, embarked on an extraordinary journey to celebrate health, unity, and holistic well-being through the art of yoga. Guided by their dedicated instructors, these 1,000 students came together to perform 23 distinct asanas or yoga poses for an impressive duration of 9 minutes. Can you believe the harmony, focus, and synchrony that such an endeavor required? Not only did they showcase incredible physical flexibility and strength, but they also demonstrated the power of mindfulness and discipline that yoga instills in our lives. And their collective effort didn't go unnoticed. Their achievement has been officially recognized by Nova World Records as a groundbreaking accomplishment. This phenomenal event is now a part of history, with record No. NW 2023-10-67 etched in the Nova Book forever. The impact of their achievement goes beyond the record books. These young yogis have not only set a new record, but have also spread awareness about the importance of total health and well-being through the practice of yoga. This remarkable event showcases how yoga, beyond its physical benefits, can foster a sense of community, mindfulness, and a strong connection with our inner selves. As we reflect on this inspiring tale, let's remember that the path to achieving greatness often starts with a united vision, dedicated efforts, and an unyielding belief in one's capabilities. As we conclude today's journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of yoga in shaping not only our bodies, but our minds and spirits as well. If this story moved you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this incredible journey with your friends. Stay tuned for more stories that remind us of the incredible strength within us all. Until next time, keep stretching your boundaries and embracing the power of unity.